Hey guys, Sophia here, My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel. You saw the title, you're wondering what is this all about? Well, I tell you what, here's the big news. Mom's coming back. She's coming back in less than 2 weeks, literally giving me very short notice, and the house is pretty much a disaster. So if you've noticed, there's a lot of fakery out there. And by fakery, I mean AI, scripted stuff, like you don't know what's real and what's not real anymore. So we are going back to authentic content where I'm going to basically do as many videos as I can as I'm putting my house back in order in preparation for Mom coming in less than 2 weeks. So I did a list, and by authentic content I mean real dirt, nothing pre-cleaned, nothing pre-organized to make believe that I got my together, because you all know I don't. Okay, I am busy, and this is not an excuse, but I am busy. If you're on Patreon, you know how much I do. So I got a list. It's called One Task at a Time, and it's pretty long. There's technically 26 items right now, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep on adding some. So what you're gonna see is me filming as much as I can, hopefully posting a video every day on the days where I don't usually post. So I'm still gonna do my regular Tuesday, my regular Thursday, and my regular Friday video. These will not be part of the series, but Monday, Wednesday, and on the weekend, I'm gonna have extra videos. They're going to be short because some of those tasks are going to be short. I have a little bit of time today, even though I have 2 videos to post, this one plus the one for Tuesday, but it's 5 o'clock. I just finished work. I was remote today, so I have time. Let's get started. I'm going to do the first one on the list, and that one is the bell. So what is going on with the bell? Okay, I don't want to get too much into it because people get ugly, you know? When you start sharing too much of your own business out there, they just get plain ugly. That's one of the reasons why I don't share personal stuff anymore on YouTube. I have this bell, which I've cleaned already. That has the anchor thing. And you probably wonder, Sophia, where did you get this? All right, I got this from Ohio. In case you were wondering what was going on with the last 2 emergencies, we had to go to Ohio twice. And the second time was to empty the house. We spent 6 days to empty the house and try to save as much as we could before it goes into the landfill. All right, so between Scott's brother and us, we grab as much as we could. So hence, you're going to see a lot of new things in the house, okay? No, we're not hoarders. We're just trying to save the family heirloom. So I got to put the bell up. This is a navy bell that we are going to use to call at dinner. Now, for those of you who don't know, thanks to Downton Abbey, we have a gong. Here's the gong. I am not going to strike it, well, maybe a little bit. It's really loud, okay? And I never really put it up because it's not stationary. So if you strike it, it goes, you know, it swings back and forth. So I didn't really know where to put it. So we've kept it in the black buffet for a long time. But now I have the bell. And the bell is really cool because it belonged to Scott's father. You know, he was in the Naval Academy. So there's a lot of naval stuff that's going to appear in the house here and there. I'm going to do that first. Very easy. I'm going to just screw it into the wall. And then I'm going to go into the deck, because I have other things I have to do. And I just said authentic content. You're gonna see dirt and like really bad situation. The deck is one of them. Judge all you want. I've been here 14 years now on YouTube. Let's get started. So I had to think about it, right? I have this arch that goes into the living room from the dining room. I wanted to put it on the other side initially, but that's the side where everybody passes through. The problem is that everybody's taller than me. So if I put it at a certain height, it may be very high for me, but everybody else is going to bang into it. So I'm going to put it on the side that has the least traffic. And it's going to go right here. And all I have to do is screw it in. It's poking out a little bit here and there, but that's all right. Okay, so I have all my tools. Let me get into business. You're probably thinking, Sophia, what's this got to do with your mom coming? Well, it's one less thing laying around because it's been on the table for 2 weeks now. Okay, so there we go. I'll put it here. That was easy. Okay, let's reattach it. This thing was so tarnished. That would have been a good video too for me to show you how to clean it up. Do you know how I did it? Ketchup. Yeah, cleaned up the brass. Aha! Task number 1 done. Oh, feeling accomplished already. Okay. Bell. Done. Planters on the deck. You know what? Let me go to the deck. Let's go do that. The deck. This is where I'm gonna be judge. This is the deck of shame. All right. So what do we have here? We have a whole bunch of boxes. That were stuff we brought back, but now I got to use those bins for something else. Stuff I haven't planted, and I'll let it die because I didn't need it. This is good. I may move it. I don't know. I think it might be too much in the sun. By the way, you want to see the yard? For those of you who haven't seen the garden. In the last, I don't know, 3 weeks that I planted it. Look at these. Yeah, okay. So there are some stuff I'm good at. I need to declutter this. I need to remove all of this. And I got soil. I got plants I need to put in before they die. Yeah, let me get started. These, I need to bring them to the greenhouse. Yeah, so basically I'm going to stop here because I did one task, which was to kind of clean up and declutter. So I have to get a new cover for this. It's got to get sanded and stained again. These, they need to dry, and then I'm going to reuse them for winter clothes. These obviously I need to plant stuff, or not, I don't have to. And that'll be it. So next task will probably be to plant the flowers because I want them to die. I have those 2 planters over there. I have one large one over here, and then I have little ones over there, and then I may put a couple right here. So yeah, okay, this was not horrendous, but it's done. And let's go and cross that out. And earlier today I did the entryway. I don't know if you can tell. So this is all decluttered and clean. All right, there we go. Deck done, and then the entryway, I did it at lunchtime, so that's done. I did 3 tasks today, not bad. So you get the idea, right? I'm getting my house in order, 1 task at a time. I'm sharing the journey with you. Some of the stuff will be shocking, some of the stuff will be regular. This is just authentic content to balance the fake stuff that's out there. Like, do you ever watch something and you wonder if it's real? Like, is this real? Is this AI? And we don't know. Well, this is not AI, okay? This is real dirt, real mess, real clutter, real life. I hope you enjoy it, and I'm looking forward to this series. I am keeping those videos short only because I got to edit them in the evening. And then, you know, I'm running several businesses at the same time than my full-time job. So it's not like I got all the time in the world to do this. And I don't want to burn out. I really don't. I just want the house to be nice and organized and clean when Mom comes, so I can enjoy my time with her. And also because it needs to be done. I mean, we've lived for the past 2.5 weeks with containers and cardboard boxes and whatnot in the living room and the dining room, and you know, on the deck and in our bedroom. There's like this, a lot of stuff that we brought back and or saved, rather, I would say saved from certain doom. You get it. I hope you do. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe right here in the corner. Hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video, whether it's in this series or my regular content. And yeah, well, I mentioned it, so you can find me on Patreon, patreon.com/mygreatchallenge, and then find me on Facebook and Instagram at mygreatchallenge. Thank you for watching. I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.